Annapolis while buyer showings are slowing. It's Friday, September 29th, 2023, and this is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday, so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Annapolis inventory is up again this week to 138 homes for sale, with 32% of these making price reductions. 20 homes are coming soon to the market. 32 homes hit the market over the past week. 14 went under contract. 14 moved to pending. 14 homes sold over the past week. This is half of last week's. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Eastport for $1,720,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at $35 for rent at a median $3,000 per month and leasing in just 18 median days. That's been steady over the past weeks. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 29th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.